Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to register a Taobao account the easiest way, like the easiest way for you to register a Taobao account. I'll be teaching you how to create this account without a phone number. Now, a lot of you don't know what Taobao is. Taobao is also a Chinese website where you can buy things from China, like the like of 1688, Alibaba, AliExpress, Pindodo. Taobao is also a Chinese app where you can buy things from China. In fact, one of the easiest way to buy things from China is from Taobao. So if you do not know me, hi, my name is Oluwatoyin. On this channel we talk mainly about China importation. Not only China importation, how to import from every other places like Bangladesh and Turkey. If you want to stick and subscribe to this channel, if this is what you like, I mean you love something like this, you want to stick to this channel. And today, like I said, I'll be teaching you how to create a Taobao account without your phone number. So let's go straight to the video.
Now, first thing first, go to your Taobao app. This is how it looks like. Now, this is how the Taobao app looks like. Now, go over to this icon by the right, the last icon by the right down, and tap on it. Yeah. And why I'm doing this, why I'm screenshotting and going to this particular app is so I can be able to translate it to see what I am doing. You translate the app. I just tap on the gallery side, and translate it. As you can see, it has been translated from Chinese to English, and this is what it is saying. You need to translate it. If you are not a Chinese, you need to translate it so you will know what you are doing exactly. You will know the kind of step you are taking, not you pressing anything because you do not understand Chinese. Now I understand the step. It asked me, it told me everything I need to know. Now I click on Google again and go over to translate it again. Now, let me just save you people all this drama and just show you guys the actual step. Yeah. So I translated it and this is what it told me. So immediately it translated. Now I go over to Taobao app again. Then I click on Google. I click on continue, like to allow it. It told me to choose an email I'm going to be using. I chose the email I will be using, which is my official email. That is what I'll be using. Then tap on continue. It continues, then just like that, you have been registered. Now I screenshotted it again. I screenshotted it to go check. Oh, okay, what is the next step after this? I went to translate it again. I'm going to translate it again to see the next step. Okay, like I said, I'm not Chinese, I speak in English, so I want to translate it so I will know what it's actually saying. Now this is what it's actually saying, like I should impute my name. As you can see, this is what it's saying for me to impute my name. So I go over to Taobao again. Sorry, I go over to Taobao again and then put in the nickname he asked me to put in. Like I was properly checking everything, like okay, what is the next step? Oh, now I go over to Taobao and this is what he said. Now after loading, this is what it said. It actually said I should impute my nickname, like the name I want to be known for on this app. Now I imputed my nickname, which is Oluwa Toyin, and that is the name I want to use. And just like that, you can see I have registered for Taobao. This is the easiest method to register on Taobao. The easiest method, using your email instead of your phone number where they have to be sending some kind of code and you do not use a Chinese number for them to send code. So this is the easiest method with your email.
So you can see how easy that was. You can see how easy and stress-free that was. Like in how many minutes you are done imputing, like in how many minutes you are done registering your Taobao account. That is how you register your Taobao account stress-free without imputing your number or without going through a whole lot of things, without going through a whole lot of methods, a whole lot of stages. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe this video. Drop a comment if you have any question for me and I'll definitely answer. We'll see again in the next video. Bye guys.